What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in. Wanted to give you a review and update on my brochures. So this is how I did the inside of them. I put realistic photos of the creation of them and stages and kind of showing the layout of it, you know. Okay, some information at the bottom. Then on this page, which is the front or the middle, it breaks down the prices, how much I charge, and these are the base prices. So things could go up or down, depends on what you want. But these are the base prices. So I wanted to give a person a good idea of what I do and how I can make them. So they can be made out of stainless, steel, or aluminum. So I'm having a few ideas on that. And here go the front. I try to keep it simple. Made in the U.S. It's a U.S. product, handmade. So I kind of wanted to just do something different, man, but just give an idea of a lot of people procrastinate on what they need to do instead of doing it. Yeah, things could have been a whole lot better, but this brochure is going to help me get some sales. And once I get a few more sales, I'm going to invest in some better photos, better brochures to make it even better. But keep this in mind. We got to start from somewhere. So many of us are procrastinating with good ideas, great ideas, and they steady sitting on the shelves. They steady sitting in the closet. Put some actions behind it, man. If you mess up, it's okay. Go back at it again. But I learned it's better to just jump into it and keep doing it than to sit back and just let time waste and you don't have nothing to show for it. Hold on.